In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube in Chrome in the easiest way possible. If you're new to Chrome or you just want a quick walkthrough of how to open YouTube, search for videos, and start watching right away, this guide is for you. I'll keep it simple, clear, and beginner-friendly so you can follow along in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do that from your desktop, your taskbar, or your apps menu, depending on how your device is set up. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar at the top of the browser. This is where you type website addresses. Click inside the address bar, type youtube.com, and then press Enter on your keyboard. In just a moment, YouTube will open in your browser. Now that YouTube is open in Chrome, you can start searching for videos. At the top of the page, you'll see the search bar. Click inside that search bar and type in whatever you want to watch. For example, you could search for music, tutorials, news, gaming, cooking, or almost anything else. Once you've typed your search, press Enter. YouTube will instantly show you a list of videos related to your search. This makes it very easy to find the content you want without having to browse for too long. Next, to play a video, simply click on any result that looks interesting to you. As soon as you click the video, it will start loading and then begin playing. You can use the play and pause controls, adjust the volume, skip forward, or switch to full screen whenever you want. If you want to watch something different, just go back to the search bar and type a new topic. That's really all there is to it. Open Chrome, go to YouTube, search for a video, and click to play. It's fast, simple, and works on any computer with Chrome installed. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.